Hey guys, this is the beauty of nature. I love it. I hope I get good vibes, because it's making me feel funny. Of course, I'm scared of heights. And I'm on a cliff. Go figure. Love y'all. Video to send a picture and a video. I love this place. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. I hope to God heaven is as beautiful. I hope so.
I'm sorry. Look, there's water over there. They used to have a telescope. You hear me? They used to have a telescope. You put a quarter in. Yeah? And you can see all the way out there. You used to have it right there. The one up here. And the one.
Wave. Wave.
Cheers!
Cheers. I ain't drinking. I don't think anybody should be drinking yet.
Nobody is. Hey, look.
Good, because I'm on video.
Hey, look. 40 miles. That way you can see Mississippi.
It's cool. You ready? Come here. No, I'll take a picture from here. I got you on video. Alright, let's get the hell out of here.